making strawberry with chocolate on them. And we're already warming this up. Probably will need a spoon, but don't really know what the spoon is. So we'll probably need to make it a little bit strong to get started. We have the strawberries. You don't want to use frozen ones. I don't know why though. So we have the grill on low. And I am gonna go and ask my mom something. Now we have the stir, the spoon. We need to stir this. Doesn't really look like they're melting a lot, but that's because we just turned it on and we just did it. So we want to touch this pot. I think I already told you when we were making cookies. And you don't want to touch the metal because it might be hot from the hot steam. And we need to let it burn, so let's wait. Meet Cora. Okay, so yeah, they're still not melted. We're gonna dry my hands off. It got at me. That's probably still not melted. No. They look shiny. So that means it's melted a little bit more. Oh my. This definitely needs a stirring. That's what it looks like now. Heavenly Godmother. All sorted up, so we don't got the things on the plate yet. Let's get them on the plate. so it can melt better and get stirred up so it's not just in one place.
You think it's a good melt?
I think it's good.
Okay.
So this is gonna go fast. Like really fast. Mama, did you? I need to fix these again. So that's it. So let's bring the plate over here. Move that up there. So I need to get some of the chocolate and put it on this. Okay, so since we did this one pretty good, it's probably that's good enough. So this little one, it can just use off the rest of this. So we are all done now. I covered them all with chocolate. So the plate. This is all of it. We have 6 because we have 6 people in our family. Eat up, buttercups.